Even when the markets are down, I'm seeing some growth. Now, I'm not talking about my portfolio per se, but I am talking about the dividends I receive every quarter. It's amazing when I look at that, sometimes month to month, but definitely by the quarter, of how much growth I've actually seen. So I wanted to do a quick calculation, which I'll show you here, of how much of that impact have those dividends had on my overall portfolio. So here you can see on my spreadsheet, I have basically how much my current value is, how much I've put in, how much cash I'm holding. Here we have, the dividends received, plus, there's the whole part of, my realized gains and losses. So ignore the fact that it's in the red right now, because, it's in the red. But we're going to focus on the dividends received, and we're going to divide that by the total amount invested. So this is how much money I have put into my overall tax-free savings account. And as you can see from this calculation, 7.4% of my portfolio was paid for by the dividends. 7.4%. So you times that by 13, you get 100. So after 13 years, half my portfolio value will be from the dividends that I'm receiving just for holding the money there, just for investing in these companies. This is why I love dividend investing. And I'm going to talk about what dividends I just received in the month of January and what I expect to receive coming up in February. So, introductions. Hi, my name is Steve Coleman. I am a dividend stock investor, as you probably just figured out, putting $200 into my tax-free savings account every week to grow a great source of investment income, which right now I'm putting back into my portfolio to grow it even faster. So, but down the road, I'm going to be using that money to enjoy the fine life. Maybe live abroad, who knows? But I will have options because I'm gonna have that investment income coming in every month and just really supporting my lifestyle. So here we go. Let's take a look at what I received in January. Okay, up on my screen, I've got my WealthSimple Trade account. It is the zero commission platform that I've been using since the very beginning, and because it's zero commission, free, I love it. Here we go. At the beginning on January 3rd with Acon, ticker symbol ARE, I received $34.04 from them. A week later, January 8th, I received two payments, one from Ryokan, ticker symbol REI.UN, and that was for $11.25, followed by VDY. This is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, and that was $31.77. That one, both those actually are monthly paying dividends or distributions. And January 15th, I received three payments from Interject Renewables for $43.20, BCE Bell Canada for $37.73, and Pizza Pizza for $10.39. Pizza, it is a monthly paying one, that's why it's lower than the other two, which are quarterly. Then on January 16th, we've got AQN, that's Algonquin Power and Utilities, and that is $38.07. The end of the month, we've got BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia, for $33.92. And from Diversified Royalty Corp, we have a monthly payment of $16.34. So the grand total for all of that is $256.70. So this is so far the most I've received in any month. Every 3 months, that's the pattern. It just keeps increasing. As I said at the beginning of this video, I always see growth. So there it is. In 3 months, it's going to be even bigger. Next month, we'll see if I break the $100 mark. I don't think I will. I had sold off my Royal Bank stock, which would be paying in the month of February, but I did put that money into VDY, which again is monthly paying. So I might actually see that increase. That might just basically transferring those dividends from Royal Bank of Canada to VDY. we'll have to wait and see what that total is going to be. But usually this next month, it's primarily fed by the monthly paying dividends. So the value of the overall total always seems to be lower than the previous ones where I'm getting paid every quarter. That is what we have to look forward in February. But so far, yeah, $256 is nothing to shy away from. And of course, I'm putting all that money back into my account. So that's why so far it's 7.4% of my value is from those dividends being reinvested, which that is going to be the strategy for the next 20 plus years. And it's going to get me up to over $1 million in that time period, just on this strategy alone. That is why I love dividend stocks. This is why I love using WealthSimple, zero commission. And this is why I love tracking all this stuff, because I love seeing the growth. So this is a quick one, guys. Hope you are great. Hope you are staying well. Keep it in the green, and we will see you in the next video.